Welcome to the hands-on lab for NeuralSeek's Semantic Analytics feature. In this lab, we will be learning about NeuralSeek's semantic analytics capabilities. Semantic analytics analyzes the answers generated by NeuralSeek to understand how well the generated answer is aligned with the underlying ground truth provided from the knowledge base. In Module 2, we will be configuring semantic analytics. The duration will take about 10 minutes and is good for anyone on a beginner level. We will explore the configuration options for semantic analytics in NeuralSeek. Semantic analytics is one of the key functionalities of NeuralSeek that enables users to understand and verify how much the generated answers tailored by the LLM are actually based on the raw corpus of the corporate knowledge base. So let's begin to get a deeper understanding. Configuration for semantic analytics is found under the Configure tab. So, on the top menu, click Configure. Afterwards, click Confidence and Warning Thresholds to open the section. So take a look at the screen in front of you, and let's go on. Enabling the semantic match score as the basis for warning and minimum confidence will let NeuralSeek use semantic scores to draw a confidence graph instead of the confidence score given by the knowledge base. Enabling the search result based on the semantic match will trigger answers that would start with, "I'm not an expert in this," or "there is nothing in our knowledge base about that," to notify users that their query yielded very little relevance to the underlying knowledge base. The configuration for the warning and minimum confidence can be found under Configure to Confidence and Warning Thresholds from the top menu. When making any changes to the configuration, remember, you must click the Save button at the bottom to apply it. And now, on to Module 3, using semantic analytics.